My name is Lily Hussain. I am daughter of Ismail Hussain Hazi. I had to tell these things, he bad thing he did to me for many years ago. The beginning when I was 9 years, and then when I was 14 years. The first time he did, he have tried to have sex with me in Bangladesh when I was little girl. And he used one fruit as called baygun in my back, and he tortured me. Because this thing I have to take again say this because this man no chance. He don't do good thing anyone. He destroyed many young girls. If he did chance, I didn't say anything about. Because of this man, I got very sick. Chance he destroyed my mother when she was young, and he destroyed our stepmother too. He did have sex with me when I was 14 and make me pregnant. First time he had the sex in Karachi, and I get pregnant. He come to Cyprus and take abortion. So also this was my father's child I was carried. And I want this man punished because he don't change anything. He married all the time young girl and rape them and throw them out. And he sold me for $40,000 that time because I was so frightened. He will put me in whorehouse in India. That's why I have to find one man to get married and run away from him, he used to say. But he sold me suddenly. You can show Lily what I mean. I want to talk about them so many weeks about what I'm going to say. I want to throw up because remember, it was hard process for me. And this 12 years girl, she must work in house. And parents was trust your mother, father, and trust us as a family, good family. After he raped this girl and come police outside, I remember.
Oh my God.
Family and go to Dhaka. That's I remember. In Khulna. This is happened in Khulna. She was very pretty, 12 years. And he had sex with, and this girl tell parents. And parents took police outside this house. But he ran and go to Dhaka. That I remember. With manipulation. She is very vulnerable little girl, coming, beautiful girl. He beat everyone. This man tortured your mother when she was little girl. I'm sorry.
I know.
At that time, I feel so I want to kill him. I pray God every day. And he must not make me touch me or have sex with me. It was nightmare. You understand? For one little girl get sick in head.
Yeah, he take me to the clinic and take out. And I'm happy for that today. Well, he will kill me if I told anyone. So he put me in clinic and put me sleep and took away his kid in my stomach.
Oh my.
And I was only 14.